Okay. Uh, I, I'll talk about the trades I took. I took one yesterday, and I took one today. I won yesterday. I lost today. So we'll get into that. So yesterday's trade. Sorry, I deleted everything off my chart, but I'm pretty sure I got in right here. And my stops, some kind of fair value gap up here, and I actually only ended up taking profit at these lows over here. Um, so what happened? These were London lows here, and then Asian lows were down here, and we made this high pre-market that we kind of manipulated. Wait, let me just place this quick. Okay, so yeah, these were London highs. Came and swept those in pre-market, and didn't see much reaction off of that. And then I thought there was like a 1 hour or something. No, not at all. Here, wait. What happened? I think we made an SMT off of these highs. Oh, I'm not going to be able to find it. I wasn't going to do a recap over this trade just because I already deleted the drawings for it, but this was the trade. And I mean, it wasn't bad. I think my stop loss was a little higher. Yeah, 50 to 50 was my original mark. Because there were some hourly lows over here. Yeah, these lows or something or other. But I did follow my stop loss rule. I didn't want to move it at all, or I didn't want to pull out too early, and sure enough, I mean, we just about got stopped out, but after patiently waiting, I finally hit take profit at, like I said, these lows, because just because there was so much resistance to the downside, like I didn't want to go. I didn't think it would be very volatile, and it really wasn't. I mean, well, I guess it was like over here, but this is a few hours later. I don't usually hold trades that long, and I was fine with this anyways. Like, I just wanted something after being in drawdown for so long. I just wanted a little win. That was pretty much it. I'm not gonna go over that one too much because I don't have my confluences from that day. But this was today's trade, and I did lose. However, I made some back. So let's see. The market opened here. This is pre-market. We had London lows. Asian lows got swept by London. So manipulation, reversal, and then I think I was looking for continuation here. Or wait, no. Manipulation plus reversal. And then we pre-market opened and we came up, swept London highs, and yeah, just swept London highs. And we made these pre-market highs, which did get swept as well. And after sweeping London highs and these highs, just waiting to see some kind of reaction. Market opens. Go to the 5 minute. Oh. Yeah, market opens. We break structure to the downside on the 5 minute, and then I don't think we had equilibrium on this move. No, wait. No, we didn't. But we broke structure, and I think this is where I went wrong, is I didn't really look for any kind of 5-minute retrace. We just broke structure, and then, I mean, equilibrium, no. I don't even know, I mean, like I was saying, I think that's where I went wrong. Um, I think there was some kind of SMT, yeah, off of this hourly low as well, which I was trading against. But these London lows, like, we came so close to them, and I don't know, it seemed like the best draw on liquidity, aside from these highs, but they're pretty high up. I kind of thought we would take these out and then maybe proceed up there, but yeah, and then there was news at 7 o'clock that I wanted to wait for, and so what I originally wanted to enter off of was this, testing this for value gap because of news. I was going to wait. 7 o'clock news came out, it didn't affect market much. And then this was also hitting equilibrium from this high to this low. We came up, hit equilibrium, and then closed out of it here, I'm pretty sure. So that's where I went short. And I should have had a higher stop loss. I would have won the trade. I was just realizing. I don't know if it was on the... No, it was on the 5-minute. Yeah, this high here. This is where I should have had my stop loss, but I just didn't calculate that very well. Then yeah, I mean London low got swept. That wouldn't have been a 1-to-1 though. This would have. But yeah, stop loss was too tight, and then we got stopped out here, and really not by much. I mean, a couple pokes above my stop loss, and then it eventually followed through with what I thought was gonna happen. There's FOMC news, and I don't know, I don't trade. I think there might have been CPI as well. And I think tomorrow's a pretty high impact day, so based off of today, I might be skeptical about trading tomorrow, but I was pretty butthurt about this loss, and I should learn to maybe just take the L. But today, like, I'd watched this candle happen, and then I watched this happen. Is when I went and turned off my PC. Sure enough, there's like a perfect entry right here after that. Hit London low. Fucking, if I didn't take profit there, then I could have hit this hourly low as well. But like, yeah, I think we broke structure on the 5-minute. Yeah, broke structure. I mean, we we broke structure on the 5-minute to the upside right after, but still seen market going down. And I checked my phone, and we were in this big move right here. I think we were on like this candle, and I kind of knew that we were just gonna take out this hourly low. And these candles were moving down pretty quick, and so I decided to just like hop in and try to make some money back. And I managed to win half of the loss back, which is pretty good. That was pretty dumb though. I shouldn't have done that. But yeah, I don't know. This is the L today. I don't have much to say about it. I want to record these sooner, like after the trade, so I'm a little more fresh on exactly what happened. But yeah, I don't know. Skeptical tomorrow, and then there's not terrible news on Friday, so probably be thinking about making a trade Friday. But I don't know. I don't have much to say. We'll see what happens.